Hey everyone, it's Avery, and I'm all dressed up because I'm about to go to my two little boys' Christmas concert for elementary school, so that's gonna be pretty cool. But I wanted to quickly do this tag, and this tag was created by DailyPSA, and she is like so cool. Check her out. I'll put a link here and in the below bar, and basically, she came up with this tag for... What is the deal with these fruit flies lately? Like, really? Every tag video has a fruit fly in it. It's like it wouldn't be a tag video of mine without a fruit fly. Okay. But, okay, she came up with this for fun, and I thought it was fun. And it's basically to show off the ringtones that you have in your phone. And I don't have a lot, but I do have some. And I wanted to show them off. And I want to see all of your guys' ringtones, because I think somebody's ringtone can really say a lot about a person. Especially if you get to hear all of them. It kind of shows you how diverse their music tastes are. And the ringtones that I have don't really show my diversity. Maybe a little bit, but I'll just show them to you. She said we have to show all of them, and that includes like the crappy ones that are already programmed into your phone. So I'll start with those. And then we'll go up from there, okay? Let's see. Verizon Wireless default tone. Pretty lame, right? Okay, doorbell. Most of them are just labeled like ringtone 1, ringtone 2, ringtone 3. Ugh, they're so annoying. Ringtone 9. Some of them are so lame. You know what I think though? I think they make them lame on purpose, just so that you'll spend money and download ringtones, right? A little bit of Froggies in there. Moving on. This one totally sounds like porn music. I'm just kidding, I don't really dance like that. This one's actually not bad. It's kind of dope, right? And then the last crap one. I think it's very Asian sounding. Okay, now for the good ones. These are the ones that I downloaded. Let's see. I think this is my current one right now. This one is actually one that I recorded, and it's my text alert. I think I have one that's my text alert and one that's my voicemail alert. And it's my son, and one of them is me and my son. And what it says is, I love you, Oobagub, and Oobagub is backwards for bugaboo. So it's kind of like a little pet name that we have for each other. But here's one.
I love you, Oobagub. I love you, Oobagub.
That's my voicemail one, and here's my text one.
I love you, Oobagub.
So that's my youngest son, Gage. I'm not sure what this one is. It just says media. I'm kind of scared. That one I got with a text. It was like one of those mooning wars, stupid forward things. I hate it. Yeah, that one's not good. That one's R-rated, so we won't do that one. I have this one. This one. Is this Nickelback or who is this? No, it's not. It's not Nickelback. It's somebody else. I can't think of who it is. This one I also got in a forward. It's Jeffree Star.
I am not a whore.
Right?
I am not a whore. I am not.
I hope you guys can hear these. Teach me how to Dougie. I think I have nail polish on my phone. This one is called I Want You, She's So Heavy, and it's a song that was originally done by the Beatles, which is my fave, as you know. But this version is from the movie Across the Universe, which is a story based on, I can't remember, I think it's like 50 Beatles songs. Anyways, if you haven't seen that movie, it's an incredible movie, but you have to like musicals, and I adore musicals because I love music. But this one is Eric's Ringtone.
I want you so bad. I want you. I want you so bad. It's driving me mad. It's driving me mad. I want you so bad.
I think everybody has this one. This one I think was sent to me in a text too. I don't download a lot of ringtones like I used to. But I used to have a lot. Like in my other phone, I probably have like 25. But and this one, of course, Joan Jett. Hello. It's not Joan Jett. It's the Runaways. Like, how hot is Cherie Curry singing this song in Japan, right? If you haven't seen that, YouTube it. Hot! Also, I think it's in the movie The Runaways, but I don't think Dakota Fanning is quite does Cherie Curry justice. Just like I don't think Kristen Stewart does Joan Jett justice, but whatever. And that's all I have, and that was a super fun tag, so thank you so much for creating that. That was so fun, and I hope everybody does this because I think it's a super fun tag. But alright, I better get going to the Christmas concert. Bye guys, love you all.